Hey guys, it's Mariah here, and today is the last day of the Capillary schedule. Even though I am extending it for 2 months, the challenge did start out 1 month, so technically it's the end, but not. I hope you understand that. But anyways, I'm just going to be going over my hot oil treatment. I'm going to show you what shampoo and conditioner I use. I don't think I'm taking any clip in the shower because then again, I told you guys this. I hate filming in the shower. I hate it so much. I hate filming in the shower. Okay, it's just not fun. It's not a fun experience. But I will show you the products I'll be using and the process. It's going to be the same process as my last video. My last video is very detailed in what I do. I show how I make my hot oil treatment. I show my oils. I even do a shower clip where I show you guys shampooing, conditioning, detangling my hair. So anyways, let's just get on with this video. Other than that, make sure to like, comment down below what your hair routine is or whatever you want to say to me, and hit that subscribe button to show your love and support for my channel. Other than that, let's just get on with the video. So here we go for pretty much the last time. My hair grew so much and I cannot wait to upload my length check as soon as possible. My hair grew over 2 inches since I started this capillary schedule. But I start with my hot oil treatment. I detangle my hair with conditioner. I shampoo. I deep condition. I rinse it out. This week was the hydration, I believe. And then after that, I put conditioner on my hair and I was pretty much done. I did a flexi rod set, but that's a separate video. But other than that, just keep on watching and all that good stuff. Okay, so now I have my hair up in a towel. I rinsed out my Nurture mask, and I have to say I love the Agua Botanica shampoo. It felt really good. I did have to cleanse my hair twice because the smell of the oils was still in my hair, and like I said before, those oils smell terrible. They smell like vinaigrette and burnt chocolate, you know, like it just doesn't smell good. So I had to shampoo twice, which felt fine. This part of my hair felt like kind of squeaky clean, which I kind of really liked. And this side of my hair has so much moisture, it didn't even budge after I shampooed it twice. But I was like, okay, I got the smell out, and so on forth. So after I shampooed my hair, I went into my Nurture mask. I did that for around maybe 30 minutes without the hooded dryer because I was like getting out of the shower and stuff, and then 15 minutes with the hooded dryer, which is really nice. Detangling was super fast today, which was awesome. That's always a plus. And lastly, I have to say my hair just feels really good now. It is just like flat to my head. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. Honestly, I've been so sick of my hair. I just want to cut it straight across so bad, but I have to straighten it to do that, and I don't want to straighten my hair anytime soon. It's the sides, and my front is the shortest, but that is how you get rid of the hemline gaps. Stop doing a middle part and do your parts in like. So this is how my hair turned out after I rinsed out the conditioner with cold water. My hair is actually pretty shiny, very long. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Stay tuned for my length check video coming up. Make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button to show your love and support, and comment down below what is your routine or if you would try the capillary schedule. Thank you for watching. Bye!